Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a small YouTuber or just starting out, then you know the struggle. You pour your heart into creating amazing content, but it feels like nobody's watching. It's frustrating, right? You're not alone, and today we're tackling that exact problem head-on. We're diving into a super effective strategy that will help you cut through the noise and finally get noticed on YouTube. So, if you're ready to stop feeling invisible and start building your audience, stick around, because this video is for you. First things first, let's talk about the common misconception that you need to go viral to grow. While a viral video is fantastic, it's not the only, or even the most reliable, path to sustainable growth. The strategy we're focusing on today is about consistent, targeted effort, not hoost luck. It's about building a foundation that attracts the right viewers, not just any asterisk viewers. And that, my friends, is key to turning casual watchers into loyal subscribers. Our core strategy revolves around something called search optimization, but for long-tail keywords, what does that mean? Instead of trying to rank for broad, highly competitive terms like gaming tips or cooking tutorial, we're going to focus on super specific, niche phrases that people are actively searching for, but where there's less competition. Think of it like this. If you're selling apples, instead of trying to compete with every single grocery store for apples, you might target organic heirloom apples for baking. See the difference? Fewer people search for it, but those who do are asterisk. Exactly asterisk, what you're looking for. And there's a much higher chance they'll find asterisk, your asterisk-specific apple. So, how do we find these golden long-tail keywords? It's simpler than you think. Start with topics you're passionate about and that you already create content around. Now, instead of just thinking about the main topic, ask yourself, what specific questions do people have about this topic? What problems are they trying to solve? What detailed instructions are they looking for? For example, if you make gaming content, instead of Fortnite tips, think Fortnite building strategies for beginners or best Fortnite settings for low NPCs. If you do cooking, instead of chicken recipe, try easy 30-minute chicken stir-fry for weeknights, or vegan chicken alternative for grilling. Here's the practical part. Use YouTube's search bar itself. Start typing in a broad keyword related to your niche, and watch the auto-suggestions pop up. These are actual searches people are making. Pay attention to the longer, more specific phrases. Another great tool is the related searches at the bottom of the YouTube results page, and even Google search suggestions. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ can also be incredibly helpful for this, showing you search volume and competition for various keywords. Don't be afraid to dig deep. The more specific, the better. Once you have a list of these long-tail keywords, your next step is to create videos specifically tailored to answer those searches. This means structuring your video around that exact phrase. Use the keyword in your video title. Make it clear and compelling. Include it naturally in your video description. Say it out loud in your video itself, especially in the intro and throughout, and use it in your tags. This tells YouTube exactly what your video is about, making it much easier for the platform to show it to the right people who are actively looking for that specific content. Why is this strategy so powerful for small channels? Because you're not fighting against the giants for the most competitive terms. You're carving out your own highly specific niche, where you can genuinely stand out. When someone searches for how to fix a leaky faucet in an old house, and your video is titled exactly that, and you actually show them how, they're much more likely to click, watch, and subscribe because you've solved their specific problem. These viewers are highly engaged, and that's the kind of audience you want to build. People who appreciate your specific expertise. Now, a crucial point. Consistency is key. Don't just make one video using this strategy and expect overnight success. Make it a regular part of your content planning. Every video you create with a well-researched long-tail keyword is another potential entry point for new, highly engaged viewers to discover your channel. Over time, these small wins accumulate, and your channel will start to gain momentum. You'll be building a library of helpful, searchable content that consistently brings in new eyes. So, to recap, find those specific long-tail keywords your audience is searching for. Create high-quality videos that directly answer those searches. Optimize your title, description, and tags with those keywords, and be consistent. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about being strategic, helpful, and discoverable. It's about building a loyal community, one focused search at a time. You've got this. Start implementing this strategy today and watch your channel begin to flourish. Don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, subscribe for more growth tips. And let me know in the comments what long-tail keyword you're going to target first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.